Well, good afternoons, boys and girls. Well, we are having our lesson today through this video, okay? It's my intention to explain again the grammar point of the conditional zero because I heard about some of you have problems to understand this grammar point, and then something is not so much clear or is confused to you. So we are going to see the grammar point again, and I have prepared this presentation to explain it more clearly, to clarify your doubts. Okay, so you can see me because my computer webcam is not working properly, so I can't record my image. So you have to hear my voice enough with my explanations, and then you are watching what I showing on my screen computer. That is the presentation. Zero conditional for conditional zero is the same. And then I have prepared some images to illustrate the conditions, okay? So in this example, we have if you hit water, okay? This is the condition. If you hit water, what happens? It boils, okay? So we have in the first part, okay, here you have the condition or the if clause, and the second part, the other sentence, is separated with a comma, and then we have here the main clause, that is the result. What happens if you eat water? It boils, okay? While we continue, we can make the sentences in the opposite order, starting with the main clause, water boils, at the first, the beginning, and if you hit it at the end, okay? So in this case, the if sentence, the if is in the middle of the sentence. We have not commas because you are joining, you are linking the two clauses through the particle if. Another example, if you hit glass, what happens? It breaks, okay? So if clause and main clause. The if clause, the condition, the main clause, the result. If you hit glass, it breaks. The glass breaks if you hit it. Okay, is the other possibility to make the same sentence. If you flip the switch, deslizar, if you flip the switch, the light switches on. Ok, si ustedes deslizan el interruptor, la luz se enciende. Ok, condición, deslizar la llave del interruptor. Resultado, se enciende la luz. The light switches on if you flip the switch. We have other set of examples. If people eat too much, they get fat. If you touch a fire, you get burned. People died if they don't eat. Snakes bite if they are scared. If babies are hungry, they cry. Okay? If you hit glass, it breaks. Water boils if you hit it. In this case, in blue is the if clause. Okay? In red is the main clause. In the second example of the same situation, okay, we have an inverted sentence, okay? So we have the if clause at the end, the second part in blue, and at the beginning you have the main clause in red. So here you have the explanation, okay? And then you have the pattern. The if clause is if plus subject plus verb in the present simple. In the main clause, you have the subject. You haven't an if, okay? You have the subject, and then you have the verb in the present simple. In the conditional zero, the verb tense you are using, okay, is the present simple only the present simple, okay? And then at the end of the explanation here, in this part, in brown, we have when you use the conditional zero, okay? In what cases or what situation you can use the zero conditional. For things that always happen if something happens first, okay, as area condition, okay, and instruction and advice. If you are sick, visit the doctor. If the door is closed, call me, okay? So this is the function. The function of the zero conditional is to express things that always happen, for example, rules, laws of nature, so the physics, instructions and advice is the second possibility to use this conditional zero. And remember that the verb tense we use is simple present in both clauses, okay, in the if clause and the main clause. So, I hope that you have understood the topic better than the previous time, and then you could clarify your doubts through this video, okay? So, I'm going to work with the second part, okay, in other video. So I'm finishing this video in this part, and then we are working with a poem, okay, using the zero conditional. So I'm finishing this video here.